Kelvin Kang'ethe mwikuirwo wa njuragano ya Margaret Bito uria mwiri wake wonekanire ngari-ini yake kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Boston bururi-ini wa Amerika tariki 1 mweri wa 11 mwaka muhituku riu ekuhingirwo rumande njera-ini ya Industrial Area guku Nairobi etereire guthamirio bururi-ini wa Amerika kuria atanyitwo kuhingurirwo thitango ya njuragano. Mwena wa thitango niguo wikirie ihoya mbere ya mucirithania Lucas Onyina ukienda Kang'ethe ahingirwo njera-ini ino niguo gutigirira mwikuirwo uyu ari urangiri-ini munene niguo kugiririria ndakae gwithara ringi. Oho mwena wa thitango ni uhoire igoti riathane mwikuirwo uyu anyihanyihirio namba ya maita maria aracererwo ni mawakiri ake na oho kuhoya igoti riathane hindi iria yothe mwikuirwo uyu aracererwo ni mawakiri ake hakoragwo na afitha wa uthuthuria mahinda-ini mothe hindi ya icera riri. Kang'ethe arahofaneirio mathaa-ini ma thaa 5 cia utuku wa gukia umuthi nyumba-ini imwe ya mumemba wa family yake kuria arathiete kwihitha no mumemba wa family no aramenyithia tatawe kuria Kang'ethe ari uria uracokire kuhura riboti ceceni-ini ya borithi ya NGONG na kumuhofaniria aterigiriire.
Mwendo wa saa 3:30 hivi Kevin KINYANJUI alibisha mlango wangu. Mke wangu akakuja akachungulia dirisha akaona ni yeye, akaja akaniita. Nikashtuka sana maana niko na watoto pale ndani ya nyumba na mke wangu pia. Nikamwambia wacha nikuachie simu upigie shangazi yangu ambaye anajuana hapo kwa police station na askari, alafu mimi nikatoka nikamzubaisha hapa nje. Baada ya kama 1 hour or less of talking jamaa walikuja na wakamshika.
I was called at around 9:30 by my nephew and he told me that the fugitive Kelvin Kang'ethe was in his residence. So immediately after that I called the OCS of NGONG, Philip Olekinda, and I told him the story and he said, I'm sending you 3 officers to come and pick you up at home with the father of your nephew to come to and show us the location where the boy was.
We were picked up from home to come and show them where the flat is. We came very fast and luckily we found him still here.
Kwa ihinda ria thiku igiri maabitha uthuthuria marakoretwo mahurite kambe itura-ini ria Ololua kuria maikirie ngono muru wa nyina na Kang'ethe muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giki hamwe na mundu ungi umwe wa family ino muthi wa ira makienda kwenjera kuria mwikuirwo uyu angikorwo ari.
He's an aircraft engineer or something. He's got money, it seems, and he likes women. He likes to enjoy his life. So there he was having a good time even despite the fact that he had killed. So there. And despite the fact that he had caused so many people to be inconvenienced, to be suffered for his own freedom.
My brother here, my friend, who helped the police arrest this fugitive, he's a hero.
Gwikio ngono kwa mwikuirwo uyu gukite kiumia kimwe thutha wake gwithara kuma THERO-INI ya borithi ya MUTHAIGA tariki 7 kiumia kihituku kuria ahingiritwo thutha wake gwikio ngono ari mwena wa Westlands county-ini ya Nairobi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.